Now see here, this is the combination of the logic gates, like this is a NAND, NOR and AND gate, NAND gate. You have to here make truth table for this combination of the gates. Suppose I have taken A and B here, these two are common over here, A and B, for the NOR gate also. Suppose there is a output is Y and Y1 and there is output is Y2. Then this output we will be getting here Y1 and Y2 and this is bar. So, if I take A, B, Y1, Y2, Y1 and Y2, that is a Y2, that is a bar. Suppose A is 0, B is 0. If A, B both are 0 and then Y1 will be 1 and Y2 also will be 1, then this should be 0. Now, if you take A0, B1, if A0, B1, this will be 1, this is a NAND gate and this will be here 0. So, 1 and 0 is 0 and it is again bar, that is 1. Similarly, if you are taking here 1 and 0, so if 1 and 0, this will be 1 again and this will be here 0 and this will be here 1. If you are taking 1, 1, this will be here 0, 0 in both the cases, and 0, 0, 0 and 0 is 0, so that will be again become 1. So, this is the truth table for this combination. So, this logic gate can be realized, its truth table can be realized by this way here.